Sean Brewer here. Sorry about the late upload. I've been having some trouble with this, but anyway, to answer the question about increasing collaboration between staff members, one thing that I've really seen work is just setting the example as an administrator or even as a staff member, being willing to offer a hand or ask for help even if you don't really need it, but just setting the example. I had a recent administrator who was really good at including everyone and offering a hand with even the littlest of things, or if they had a volunteer that they didn't need, would share that volunteer to help make copies or just whatever it was. So it was really nice to see the example being set by the leader of the school. The other thing that we currently do at my work is we share lesson plans. Each week we submit lesson plans online, and our administrators can view them, but we can all view each other's as well, so we can hold each other accountable in some ways, but also just to get a sneak peek at what's going on in what classroom and what grade. Our administrator also allows us to work together on the lesson plan. So we, as my second grade team, we all currently kind of divvy up what subjects we're going to do. For example, I set the science lesson plans for the week and the social studies one. Some of my teammates do the math or the writing, the reading, and certain things like that. And then when we teach the lessons, we all come back the next week and say, this worked really well, this didn't, or I changed it a little bit and this was awesome, or I bombed this one, what can I do, what had worked for you guys? So it helps us work together even more. Even though we don't all share students, we get to know each other's student strengths and weaknesses, and we can help each other out in that way. And another way to foster this idea of collaboration is to give the opportunity to team teach. I know I share students with the teacher across the hall from me, and this next year we're actually going to share more subject areas because we found that we can get more in depth and really do a better job at teaching and allowing the kids to explore themselves when we're able to do that as well. So just kind of encourage that type of thing, whether it's sharing lesson plans or ideas, but it really pushes home the idea that it takes more than just one teacher to educate a student or all the students. Really, it's a whole team approach. So hope that helps.